Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top right side, and in here you'll find hotspot as one of the toggles. For me, it's right over here. Hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Now once you see this toggle, hold it, at least the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like the hotspot password, which will be randomly generated by default, so there's no way of you knowing what the password is without actually navigating here. Now what I recommend doing is selecting that password and completely getting rid of it and setting up your own. It will need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it, and that's really the only thing I recommend changing. From there, once you have changed it, make sure you tap on this check mark right here to save the change. Now we can enable your hotspot either from here by flipping the switch, or later on to turn it off or on from your toggles. So if I tap on it now, it will just turn off. And that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.